Hi, Paul here from Suzuki is showing you our 9-inch unit we've fitted to the new Jimny. Now we've shown you how to use the radio, set up the Bluetooth audio, obviously got USB that uses a factory USB point. But the main thing most modern cars have is got Apple CarPlay, and the vast majority of them are a wired system, and you can still do it in this device here. But the beauty of this product here is you've got Apple CarPlay and there is no wire. It is completely hands-free wired CarPlay, and it works a treat. So you get access to all your normal all your functions: Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Radio New Zealand, Rover, all those sort of things there. And everything can be done completely and utterly hands-free using the Apple Assistant. So in this case, I'm going to say, "Hey Siri, call Sonia wife."
Calling Sonia wife mobile. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good. I'm just doing a Bluetooth test. You hear me all right?
Oh, cool. Yeah, perfect.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Okay,
See you. Bye. And that's as simple as it is to send and receive a voice call. You can do your messages, as you can see there, the 8 people that I will eventually get back to. You can do your text messages. The Apple voice assistant, Siri, will read them out to you if you want to. And the same with your maps. You can even ask the assistant to direct you to certain addresses, all via voice. You don't even need to touch the screen. So we hope that covers off the Apple CarPlay for you, and we'll have another video a bit later. You can watch next. You don't have to watch whenever you like, to be fair, on Android Auto.